The Lucid Air is a full-size luxury electric sedan produced by Lucid Motors. It is positioned in the premium EV segment and competes with other high-end electric sedans in performance, range, and interior quality. For the 2024 model year, the Lucid Air lineup starts at approximately $71,400 in the United States. The entry-level Air Pure variant is rated for an estimated driving range of up to 410 miles, depending on configuration and wheel size. This places it among the longest-range electric sedans currently available. The vehicle emphasizes efficiency and performance through a compact electric powertrain design. Lucid develops its own motors, inverters, and battery systems, focusing on high energy density and thermal management. Higher trims deliver rapid acceleration, with dual and tri-motor configurations available in upper variants. Inside, the Lucid Air features a minimalist layout with digital displays, premium materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Cabin space benefits from a long wheelbase and a packaging layout enabled by the electric platform. Lucid's engineering background includes experience in electric racing series such as Formula E, which has influenced its approach to power electronics and battery efficiency. However, the Lucid Air itself is a conventional road vehicle and does not have vertical takeoff or flying capability. Separate from Lucid's sedan, various companies have developed electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) prototypes intended for limited aviation use. These aircraft are distinct from production electric cars and operate under aviation regulatory frameworks rather than standard road vehicle approvals. The Tucker Snowcat is a purpose-built over snow vehicle designed for transportation and utility work in extreme winter conditions. Its defining feature is a 4-track system with articulated steering, which distributes weight across a wide surface area. This configuration improves traction and stability on deep snow while reducing ground pressure, allowing the vehicle to travel over soft or uneven terrain with minimal surface disturbance. The articulated design enables controlled maneuvering on slopes and in confined areas, making it suitable for operations where conventional wheeled vehicles cannot function reliably. Tucker manufactures the Snowcat in multiple configurations, ranging from compact 2-passenger models to larger variants capable of carrying up to 15 occupants, depending on layout and equipment. Common applications include snow trail grooming, agricultural support in snow-covered regions, and the transport of personnel, supplies, and equipment to remote locations during winter months. Specifications vary by model, but the entry-level 2000 Extra Light version is equipped with an engine producing approximately 130 horsepower. Pricing depends on configuration, selected features, and optional equipment. The base price for a new 2000 Extra Light model begins at around $125,000, with higher costs associated with additional customization and larger models. The Movable Roots War Tiny Home is a 28-foot-long, 8.5-foot-wide mobile residence offering just over 300 square feet of interior space, including a loft. Built on a trailer platform, it is designed to balance compact living with practical functionality. The layout includes a lofted bedroom with adequate headroom and integrated storage. The kitchen is arranged in an L shape, providing expanded counter space with quartz surfaces and custom-built cabinetry for efficient organization. The main living area accommodates a standard couch, a coffee table, and a television setup, creating a defined space for daily use. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower, a sink vanity, and a standard flush toilet. Overall, the design focuses on maximizing usable space within a compact footprint. It is suited for individuals or couples seeking a smaller living environment with essential residential features integrated into a mobile structure. Product name: Jetpack Aviation Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a groundbreaking engineering achievement with the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. Recognized as the world's first flying motorcycle, this futuristic, motorcycle-inspired vehicle delivers extraordinary performance powered by 8 compact jet engines. With an exceptional size-to-payload ratio, the Speeder weighs approximately 300 pounds yet can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo, an impressive feat of design and efficiency. Currently undergoing rigorous testing, the aircraft is expected to receive FAA certification in the near future. It is not just a concept or vision of tomorrow, but a fully operational prototype demonstrating real-world capability. Its performance is nothing short of astonishing. The civilian version can cruise at 60 miles per hour for nearly 30 minutes, while a military-grade unmanned variant can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour at an altitude of 100 feet, making it significantly less vulnerable to ground fire. With a starting price of $381,000, this remarkable innovation is now available for pre-order directly through Jetpack Aviation. Heavy snowfall regions require equipment that can clear large volumes of snow efficiently and consistently. In northern areas such as Hokkaido, annual snowfall can reach extreme levels. Similar conditions are found in parts of Siberia and Alaska, where prolonged cold and steady moisture result in significant snow accumulation. In these environments, snow removal is a necessary part of maintaining transportation and operations. The Overosen is UTV-175 is a heavy-duty snowblower attachment designed for high-capacity clearing. It creates a clearing path approximately 8 feet 9 inches wide and just over 4 feet high, allowing it to handle deep and compacted snow. At the front of the unit, a wide auger collects snow evenly across the intake width. The auger moves the snow toward the center of the machine, where a high-speed impeller accelerates it into the discharge system. This two-stage process ensures continuous material flow and reduces the risk of clogging, even when snow density varies. The system is capable of processing up to approximately 1,350 US tons of snow per hour under optimal conditions. Performance depends on factors such as snow type, moisture content, and operating speed. Operator control is a key aspect of the design. Snow can be discharged to either side or directed through a rotating chute. A triple flap outlet allows adjustment of the throw pattern and trajectory. In addition, the impeller housing can be angled up to 45 degrees to the left or 60 degrees to the right, enabling more precise snow placement along roads, runways, or confined areas. Overall, the UTV-175 is engineered to provide consistent snow removal performance in regions where winter conditions demand reliable, high-capacity equipment. The Hexa aircraft is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle developed by Lift Aircraft. It is designed as a single-seat ultralight aircraft intended for personal flight without requiring a traditional pilot's license under certain regulatory categories. The aircraft uses 18 independent electric motors arranged in 6 evenly spaced sections around the pilot. Each propeller is controlled by adjusting individual motor speeds, allowing the system to manage lift, balance, and directional movement electronically. This distributed propulsion design also creates an open structure around the cockpit, providing the occupant with wide, unobstructed visibility. Hexa is built with amphibious capability, enabling it to take off and land on both solid ground and calm water surfaces. Flight control is managed through a simplified interface that includes a single joystick supported by a triple redundant flight computer system. The onboard system assists with stabilization and core flight functions, reducing pilot workload. On a full battery charge, the aircraft can operate for approximately 15 minutes, with an estimated range of about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, depending on flight conditions and usage. The Romao prototype is a concept travel trailer designed to rethink how space is used in compact mobile living. It features a towable structure that transforms once parked, expanding into a larger living area through a motorized deployment system. The trailer's main structural element rotates outward from its outer shell after setup. This movement reveals a built-in deck that extends the usable floor area and creates a transition between interior and exterior space. The configuration supports indoor-outdoor living by integrating a patio area that can function as both a dining space and an outdoor kitchen. The setup process is designed to be automated, reducing the physical effort typically required when preparing a campsite. Materials and finishes focus on durability and comfort, combining a traditional aesthetic with contemporary construction techniques. Future production plans indicate a slightly longer body to improve storage capacity. Aside from that adjustment, the interior layout is intended to prioritize practical organization, efficient use of space, and residential-level comfort within a compact footprint. Overall, the Romao prototype presents a modular approach to caravanning, emphasizing spatial flexibility, automated deployment, and functional outdoor integration. Jetoptera J2000. The Jetoptera J2000 is a conceptual vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft designed for urban mobility and regional travel. Developed by Jetoptera, The aircraft is positioned as a compact air vehicle capable of operating without traditional runways. The J2000 is designed to take off and land vertically, allowing it to operate in confined spaces. Its projected top speed is around 200 miles per hour, with an estimated range of approximately 200 miles. These specifications suggest potential use cases such as short regional transport or air taxi services. A key feature of the J2000 is its fluidic propulsion system, FPS, which differs from conventional propeller-based designs. Instead of exposed rotors, the system uses compressed air directed through specially shaped channels to generate thrust. This approach is inspired by fluidic amplification principles, similar in concept to bladeless fan technology. The aircraft incorporates 4 circular, hoop-like thrusters, 2 positioned toward the front and 2 at the rear. During vertical operations, the thrusters provide lift. In forward flight, the rear units contribute to propulsion, while the design aims to streamline airflow around the body. The enclosed configuration is intended to reduce external moving parts, which may influence noise levels, safety considerations, and aerodynamic efficiency. As a VTOL concept, the J2000 represents an alternative approach to electric rotor-based air taxis and tilt rotor systems. Its development reflects ongoing experimentation in urban air mobility, where manufacturers are exploring different propulsion methods to improve performance, efficiency, and operational flexibility. The 2015 Princess 56 is a flybridge motor yacht designed to balance performance with onboard comfort. Built with a lightweight GRP hull, it delivers efficient handling and stable cruising in a range of sea conditions. Power comes from twin Volvo Penta diesel engines. The yacht is capable of reaching speeds of approximately 32 knots, with a comfortable cruising speed around 24 knots, depending on load and conditions. The hull design supports both performance and fuel efficiency for extended coastal passages. On board, the layout emphasizes functional living space. The flybridge provides an open social area suited for outdoor dining and relaxation. The main deck includes a bright saloon and a well-equipped galley positioned to serve both interior and exterior seating areas, making it practical for hosting guests. Below deck, the yacht features 3 cabins accommodating up to 6 guests. The full beam owner's cabin offers increased headroom and storage, while the forward VIP cabin and twin guest cabin provide additional sleeping space. 2 bathrooms serve the accommodation areas. Market pricing varies based on condition, engine hours, equipment specification, and location, but vessels of this model year typically trade in the multi-million-dollar range. Storm MPV. The Storm MPV is an electric, amphibious armored vehicle developed through international collaboration. The project began with a Ukrainian engineering team that built an early prototype to demonstrate the platform's concept and capabilities. However, financial and production challenges limited their ability to scale manufacturing independently. To move the project forward, they partnered with Stride Group, an established armored vehicle manufacturer with global production experience. The Storm MPV integrates components sourced from multiple countries. Its armored protection system is supplied by a Finnish manufacturer, the suspension system is engineered in Australia to handle demanding terrain, and its battery units are sourced from China. This multinational supply chain reflects a design approach focused on combining specialized expertise rather than relying on a single production base. Designed as a multi-purpose platform, the Storm MPV operates as both a land vehicle and a watercraft. It is fully electric, reducing acoustic and thermal signatures compared to conventional combustion-powered armored vehicles. The vehicle also supports remote control operation, enabling unmanned deployment in certain scenarios. Performance specifications indicate a maximum road speed of up to 140 km per hour under optimal conditions. In amphibious mode, it is capable of operating in water with wave heights of up to 1.5 meters. The platform can carry a payload of approximately 3.5 tons, allowing it to transport personnel, equipment, or mission-specific systems. Overall, the Storm MPV represents a modern approach to armored vehicle design, combining electric propulsion, amphibious capability, and modular integration within a globally sourced production.
Product name: Sea Breacher. The Sea Breacher is an innovative hybrid that blends the thrill of jet skiing with the excitement of mini-submarining. This semi-submersible watercraft is designed to transform the way we experience and explore the sea. Powered by a 4-stroke, 1,500cc supercharged Rotax Ace engine developed by Ace Productions, it can be tuned between 230 and 300 horsepower to deliver enhanced performance and exhilarating speed. Built for agility and excitement, this dynamic vessel is capable of performing impressive acrobatic maneuvers, including 360-degree barrel rolls. It can briefly dive to depths of 5 to 6 feet and even launch itself out of the water, creating a truly unforgettable ride. Its aerodynamic, streamlined body weighs approximately 1,450 pounds and measures between 190 and 200 inches in length, with a width of about 42 inches. Sea breachers are available in a variety of models, each offering distinctive customization options. Popular examples include the Shark-inspired X model, the Orca-like Y model, and the Dolphin-inspired Z model. Prices start at around $85,000 and can exceed $100,000, depending on the selected specifications and custom features.
The Forces Tracker 800SX is a rugged side-by-side ATV designed for heavy-duty performance. It features an 8,812cc 3-cylinder engine that produces 50 feet lb of torque, providing strong and reliable power for a variety of terrains. Built with durability in mind, the 800SX includes a full-length skid plate and electronic power steering, allowing it to carry loads up to 1,000 pounds with stability and control. Its suspension system offers 10 inches of front travel, and the vehicle comes equipped with a tilting cargo bed with lift assist, 4WD, and an electronic locking differential for enhanced traction. The cabin is designed for comfort and utility, making it suitable for both work and recreational use. With its capability to handle snow, ice, and rugged trails, the Forces Tracker 800SX is a versatile choice for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Surla Houseboats is a Netherlands-based company founded in 2020 by Robert Jan Merle. The company develops residential houseboats designed for long-term living, with a focus on energy independence and reduced environmental impact. The first Surla houseboat launched in 2020, marking the beginning of the company's approach to off-grid living. Each unit is built by hand and constructed with attention to material efficiency and durability. The design prioritizes self-sufficiency, allowing the houseboats to operate without permanent connections to traditional utility networks. To reduce environmental impact, Surla integrates recycled materials where possible, including insulation made from repurposed PET bottles. The boats are equipped with onboard filtration systems that treat and manage water, minimizing reliance on external supply and storage systems. Energy systems are designed to support autonomous operation, enabling residents to live independently from standard infrastructure. In terms of layout, Surla houseboats emphasize open interior space and functional design. Large windows, efficient floor plans, and modern finishes are used to create a comfortable residential environment suited for year-round habitation. Surla houseboats represents a contemporary approach to floating homes, combining off-grid technology with practical residential design. The Vario Signature 1200 is a high-end motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis. Measuring approximately 12 meters in length and weighing around 26 tons, it is engineered as a large, fully integrated vehicle intended for extended travel. A defining feature of the Signature 1200 is its integrated rear garage. The storage compartment is designed to accommodate a compact passenger vehicle, including sports cars comparable in size to a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, depending on configuration and weight limits. Inside, the motorhome is arranged to support long-term occupancy for up to 6 people. The layout typically includes a separate living area, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom, and a private sleeping space. The kitchen is fitted with residential-style appliances such as a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom features a queen-sized bed and built-in wardrobe storage. Materials and finishes are selected to reflect a premium segment, with emphasis on space efficiency and functional design. The base price of the Vario Signature 1200 starts at approximately $922,000, with final cost varying depending on customization and selected options. The Tinger Track 2 is an amphibious all-terrain vehicle designed for transportation across snow, mud, marshland, and shallow water. It is built around a 3-cylinder Chery SQR gasoline engine that produces 57 horsepower. Power is delivered through a continuously variable transmission, and the engine uses a liquid cooling system to maintain operating temperature during extended use. The vehicle reaches a maximum speed of approximately 26 miles per hour on land. Its tracked configuration provides improved traction on soft surfaces, supported by a ground clearance of 330 mm and 500 mm wide tracks. This setup allows it to navigate uneven terrain while maintaining stability. The Tinger Track 2 has a payload capacity of up to 500 kilograms and a fuel tank capacity of 110 liters, enabling longer operating range between refueling stops. It can accommodate up to 5 occupants when traveling on land and 4 passengers in water conditions. Designed for utility and adaptability, the Tinger Track 2 is suited for work in remote areas, outdoor operations, and environments where conventional wheeled vehicles may struggle. Product: Stratosphere Aquatica. The Stratosphere Aquatica is a compact, 2-person transport concept built around a lightweight carbon fiber sphere measuring approximately 1.65 meters in diameter. Its design combines marine and aerial mobility within a single enclosed pod. In water mode, the sphere moves across the surface using an extendable hydrofoil system. The foil helps stabilize the craft, maintain balance, and manage weight distribution while keeping internal components cool. A self-balancing control system continuously adjusts to changes in direction, aiming to deliver stable handling during turns and moderate speed travel. The vehicle can also transition into flight mode. In this configuration, it operates as a quadcopter-style aircraft powered by electric propulsion units rated at up to 150 horsepower each. The system is designed for vertical lift and forward motion, with projected speeds reaching up to 250 km per hour under optimal conditions. Solar panels are integrated to provide supplemental energy support, though primary propulsion relies on onboard battery systems. Access to the cabin is provided through a sliding glass rooftop entry, and the enclosed spherical structure is engineered for structural efficiency and aerodynamic performance. Overall, the Stratosphere Aquatica represents an experimental approach to multi-environment mobility, combining hydrofoil water travel with electric vertical flight in a compact, futuristic platform. Scorpion 3 Hoverbike. The Scorpion 3 is an electric hoverbike that merges elements of a traditional motorcycle with quadcopter flight technology. Structurally, it resembles a bike, but lift is generated by 4 rotors positioned around the frame, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The vehicle is designed to carry a single rider with a maximum payload of 104 kilograms, or 229 pounds. It can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Operational range is approximately 13 miles under standard conditions. In flight, the Scorpion 3 can climb to an altitude of around 33 feet. Flight duration varies between 15 and 40 minutes, depending on rider weight and operating conditions. The battery system requires roughly 3 hours for a full recharge. A modular battery design allows for rapid swapping, which can reduce downtime to about 1 minute when a charged unit is available. Rather than being a conceptual prototype, the Scorpion 3 has undergone flight testing and is presented as a functional quadcopter-based personal transport platform. The Tinga Proda is a body-on-frame all-terrain vehicle designed for off-road use in demanding environments. Its construction emphasizes durability and balanced weight distribution, contributing to stable handling across uneven terrain. Introduced in 2023 by a Russian manufacturer, the Tinga Proda is built for practical applications such as hunting, fishing, and fieldwork, including infrastructure inspections. With a ground clearance of 500 mm, it is engineered to navigate obstacles like rocks, mud, and snow more effectively than standard utility vehicles. The vehicle has a stated top speed of 50 km per hour, reflecting its focus on controlled off-road mobility rather than highway performance. The model has drawn interest beyond its domestic market, including attention from Australia. With a listed price of $660,000, it targets buyers seeking a specialized off-road platform for professional or recreational use. Overall, the Tinga Proda positions itself as a purpose-built solution for users who require dependable performance in challenging terrain. The Nazeni EALL is a 5-seat electric aircraft concept developed in Armenia, positioned within the emerging urban air mobility sector. The design centers on distributed electric propulsion, using 36 electric ducted fan (EDF) units integrated into the airframe. The aircraft has a reported maximum takeoff weight of 1,400 kilograms and a maximum payload capacity of 500 kilograms. It is designed to reach speeds of up to 295 kilometers per hour. With a maximum flight time of approximately 70 minutes, the projected range is up to 350 kilometers under optimal conditions. The maximum operating altitude is listed at 2,500 meters. Energy is supplied by a rechargeable battery system, with an estimated charging time of around 45 minutes. The primary structure is constructed from carbon fiber composites, selected to reduce weight while maintaining structural strength. The distributed EDF configuration is intended to improve efficiency, maneuverability, and redundancy compared to single propulsion layouts. As an electric platform, the concept aligns with efforts to develop quieter, lower-emission aircraft for short-distance and urban operations. While still at the concept stage, the NASNEALL reflects ongoing experimentation in electric aviation and autonomous flight technologies aimed at future urban transport solutions. Moon Bikes is a fully electric snowbike designed as an alternative to traditional gasoline-powered snowmobiles. Developed and manufactured in the French Alps, it focuses on reducing noise and eliminating direct emissions while operating in snowy environments. The vehicle uses an electric propulsion system that delivers a top speed of approximately 26 miles per hour. An optional extended battery pack increases range for longer rides. Weighing around 192 pounds, the snowbike is significantly lighter than most conventional snowmobiles, which typically weigh several hundred pounds. Its lower weight contributes to easier handling, storage, and transport. The design emphasizes balance and stability. A low center of gravity and compact frame aim to provide controlled maneuvering over packed snow and moderate powder conditions. The riding experience is intended to feel closer to that of a lightweight motorcycle adapted for winter terrain rather than a large utility snowmobile. Moon Bikes can be customized with a selection of accessories, and it is available in multiple color options. The product is positioned for recreational winter use, offering a quieter and more compact electric alternative within the snow transport category. The Moli Robotic Kitchen is an automated cooking system designed to replicate human kitchen tasks using robotic arms, integrated appliances, and digital controls. It combines hardware and software to prepare meals with minimal manual involvement. At the core of the system are two robotic arms installed above a standard cooktop and workspace. These arms are programmed to reproduce the movements of professional chefs. Using motion capture technology, including 3D imaging and sensor-equipped gloves, the actions of a chef are recorded, digitized, and stored in a recipe database. The system then replays those movements to prepare the selected dish. Users interact with the kitchen through a touchscreen interface. From there, they can choose recipes, adjust portion sizes, and manage dietary preferences. The software provides access to a growing library of recorded recipes, covering a range of international cuisines. It also offers nutritional information, including calorie estimates, based on the selected dish and ingredients. The kitchen integrates with storage systems to monitor ingredient availability. It can notify users when supplies are low and suggest meals based on available items. Over time, the system can adapt recommendations based on user preferences and cooking history. In addition to food preparation, the robotic arms are designed to clean the cooking area after use, including wiping surfaces and organizing utensils within the designated workspace. The Moli Robotic Kitchen represents an attempt to automate complex domestic tasks by combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and culinary expertise into a single residential system. The Manta AN2 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for short-range regional transport and special mission use. It combines conventional fixed-wing flight with vertical lift capability, allowing it to operate from confined areas as well as short runways. The aircraft has a tandem two-seat configuration and is built primarily from carbon composite materials to reduce weight and improve structural efficiency. Its aerodynamic layout includes a V-tail and forward canard surfaces, intended to enhance stability and overall flight performance. Propulsion is provided by 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed and 4 tilting units. This arrangement supports both vertical takeoff and landing and conventional forward flight. The hybrid power system integrates onboard generators with battery storage, and it is designed to operate using sustainable aviation fuel for the combustion component. In cruise configuration, the aircraft is projected to reach speeds of up to 300 km per hour, with a maximum range of approximately 1,000 km under specified operating conditions. Flight control is managed through a fly-by-wire system, supported by a head-down display interface. For emergency scenarios, the aircraft is equipped with a ballistic parachute system intended to enhance occupant safety. The airframe is designed with modularity in mind, allowing relatively straightforward assembly, disassembly, and transport. This flexibility supports maintenance logistics and potential deployment to remote locations. The Manta AN2 is positioned for applications such as medical evacuation, search and rescue operations, and short-distance regional mobility, where the ability to operate from limited infrastructure may offer operational advantages. The Lazzarini IFO is a conceptual electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the Lazzarini Design Studio and designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini. The aircraft features a central carbon fiber capsule measuring approximately 6.6 feet in diameter, enclosed within a larger carbon fiber disc about 15 feet 5 inches wide. Integrated into the disc are 8 electric motors that enable vertical lift and forward movement. The projected top speed is around 120 miles per hour, with an estimated flight time of 60 to 70 minutes. Its hybrid electric system is intended to balance performance and energy efficiency. Passenger access is supported by 6 extendable landing suspensions equipped with a lifting mechanism that lowers the spherical cabin for boarding. At prepared landing sites, removable bridge platforms can also be used. Visually, the design draws inspiration from classic UFO imagery, combining a circular silhouette with modern aerospace engineering principles. At present, the IFO remains a concept, with development dependent on investment and further technical validation. It reflects ongoing exploration into compact hybrid electric aircraft for future urban air mobility. Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Lamborghini introduced the V12 Vision Gran Turismo as a single-seat concept developed for the Gran Turismo racing game series. The vehicle combines experimental design with the hybrid powertrain used in the limited production Lamborghini Sián. The exterior presents an aggressive, futuristic form. The body structure appears visually separated from the wheel arches, emphasizing a lightweight, exposed frame aesthetic. The driver accesses the cockpit from the front through a forward-opening canopy. The layout centers entirely around one seat, reinforcing its focus on a virtual racing environment rather than conventional road use. At the rear, the car features 6 exhaust outlets integrated into a sharply sculpted diffuser area. A narrow, full-width tail light spans the back of the vehicle and visually connects with a large rear wing, contributing to both aerodynamic function and distinctive styling. The overall lighting signature and sharp surfacing reflect design themes explored in earlier Lamborghini concept studies. Power comes from a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with a hybrid system that incorporates a supercapacitor for energy storage. This configuration, shared with the Lamborghini Sián, delivers a combined output of approximately 774 horsepower. The use of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium-ion battery allows for rapid energy discharge and recharge cycles. The V12 Vision Gran Turismo was unveiled in 2019 in connection with the FIA-certified Gran Turismo Championships, serving as a digital showcase of Lamborghini's design direction and hybrid performance technology. A high-energy laser system uses focused light energy to detect and engage aerial threats. The technology supports tracking and identification of objects such as drones, rockets, and mortar rounds. By directing concentrated energy at targets, it can disable or neutralize selected threats in air, land, or maritime environments. Such systems are designed for defense applications and integration with broader security networks. They operate through sensors and targeting modules that help operators monitor activity and respond to risks. The capability provides coverage in complex scenarios, including multiple or swarming targets. It is intended to complement existing defense measures rather than replace them. Deployment varies depending on mission requirements and operational conditions. Like other directed energy tools, effectiveness depends on environmental factors and system configuration. The system represents one approach within modern defense technology, emphasizing precision and controlled engagement. Its utility is evaluated based on operational needs and technical constraints. The trackless Snow Lion icebreaker is a tractor-mounted attachment designed to mechanically fracture compacted ice on sidewalks and pedestrian surfaces. Its operation relies on a direct mechanical drive system. Power is transferred through the tractor's forward movement, eliminating the need for hydraulic connections or auxiliary power shafts. This simplifies installation and reduces setup time. The attachment features 2 cutting sections arranged in sequence. Each section measures 47 inches in width, allowing the surface to be processed twice in a single pass. Together, the system ensures consistent coverage and improved ice fragmentation. Each cutting section contains 4 pairs of cutter wheels, totaling 16 wheels across the machine. Every wheel measures 10 inches in diameter and is equipped with 15 hardened steel knives. Rather than scraping the ice, these knives deliver repeated impacts, breaking the surface into smaller fragments. This striking action is particularly effective on compacted or layered ice. Each cutter wheel is mounted on an independent, spring-supported arm. This design allows vertical movement, enabling the wheels to adapt to uneven terrain. Sidewalks, ramps, driveway crossings, and sloped walkways often develop irregular ice layers due to foot traffic, melting, refreezing, and water runoff. The independent suspension ensures consistent contact with these varied surfaces. The attachment is compatible with municipal tractors, including trackless models. Because it does not require hydraulic hoses or additional drive components, mounting is straightforward. An adjustable support leg assists with alignment during installation, while removable weights allow operators to modify balance based on working conditions or transport requirements. Jetson 1 is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the Swedish company Jetson. The company was founded in 2017 by entrepreneur Peter Ternström and drone specialist Tomas Padden with the objective of building a compact personal aircraft designed for simplified operation. The aircraft is built around a lightweight aluminum space frame combined with a carbon fiber and Kevlar composite body. This structure keeps the empty weight at approximately 86 kilograms, 190 pounds, allowing it to qualify under U.S. ultralight regulations. Under FAA Part 103 rules, aircraft in this category do not require a pilot's license for operation in the United States, provided they meet specific weight and performance limits. Jetson 1 uses 8 electric motors arranged in a multirotor configuration. Unlike a conventional airplane or helicopter, it relies on distributed electric propulsion to generate vertical lift and controlled maneuvering. The system is powered by a high-discharge lithium-ion battery pack. The aircraft has a reported flight time of around 20 minutes under typical conditions and can reach speeds of up to 102 km per hour, or 63 miles per hour. It is designed to carry a single pilot weighing up to 100 kilograms, or approximately 210 pounds. Jetson 1 represents a compact approach to personal electric flight, combining lightweight materials, multirotor architecture, and battery-powered propulsion within the regulatory framework for ultralight aircraft. Buran Armored Vehicle. The Buran Armored Vehicle is produced by a Russian company that specializes in retrofitting civilian sedans and off-road vehicles with ballistic protection. The Buran is built on the chassis of the GAZ 3308 military truck and is designed for use in security, transport, and specialized operations. It is available in several configurations, including pickup, ambulance, crew transport, and cargo carrier versions. The vehicle offers STANAG Level 1 and Level 2 ballistic protection. According to available specifications, it is designed to withstand blast forces equivalent to up to 6 kilograms of TNT. Power comes from a 4.4-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine producing approximately 200 horsepower and 670 Newton-meters of torque. The drivetrain includes a 5-speed manual transmission, a transfer case, and a full-time all-wheel drive system to support operation in off-road and difficult terrain conditions. The Buran is equipped with dual fuel tanks totaling 295 liters, providing an operational range of at least 900 kilometers under standard conditions. Depending on configuration, the vehicle measures approximately 5.81 to 6.28 meters in length, 2.26 meters in width, and 2.35 meters in height. Its weight can reach up to 9.1 metric tons, depending on armor level and equipment. The manufacturer does not publicly list pricing. However, Armored vehicles in similar categories typically command high costs due to specialized materials, engineering, and certification requirements. Boom XB-1 is a 1/3 scale demonstrator developed by Boom Supersonic to test technologies intended for the commercial supersonic airliner concept known as Overture. In 2025, the demonstrator completed supersonic flight, reaching Mach 1.122 at an altitude above 35,000 feet, marking the first instance of a privately developed civil aircraft achieving sustained supersonic speeds. The aircraft is powered by 3 turbojet engines supplied by General Electric and incorporates composite materials to reduce weight and improve aerodynamic efficiency. Its flight testing focuses on validating aerodynamic performance and techniques for mitigating the ground-level impact of sonic booms by redirecting shockwaves. Data collected from the program supports research and development efforts related to future supersonic passenger aviation. The AC-75 is a 75-foot foiling monohull developed for the America's Cup. Introduced at the 2021 edition of the competition, it represents a major shift in modern yacht design and continues to be used in subsequent events. Unlike traditional racing yachts that rely on a fixed keel for stability, the AC-75 uses large canting hydrofoils mounted on its sides. As speed increases, these foils generate lift, raising most of the hull above the water. By reducing drag, the boat can reach significantly higher speeds than conventional displacement yachts. Another defining feature is its double-skinned mainsail, often described as a soft wing. This configuration improves aerodynamic efficiency while allowing sailors to adjust sail shape with precision. The AC-75 typically carries a crew of 11, each member assigned specialized roles ranging from foil control to sail trimming and tactical decisions. Operating the yacht requires coordination, physical endurance, and, unlike traditional racing yachts that rely on a fixed keel for stability, the AC-75 uses large canting hydrofoils mounted on its sides. As speed increases, these foils generate lift, raising most of the hull above the water. By reducing drag, the boat can reach significantly higher speeds than conventional displacement yachts. Another defining feature is its double-skinned mainsail, often described as a soft wing. This configuration improves aerodynamic efficiency while allowing sailors to adjust sail shape with precision. The AC-75 typically carries a crew of 11, each member assigned specialized roles ranging from foil control to sail trimming and tactical decisions. Operating the yacht requires coordination, physical endurance, and technical expertise to manage its speed and stability under racing conditions. The STU cable drum roller trailer is a heavy-duty transport solution designed for moving large cable drums in power and telecommunications projects. Constructed from high-grade steel, it delivers outstanding durability in both urban environments and remote job sites. Many models are equipped with hydraulic lift systems for easy loading and unloading, while the mounted drum design allows smooth cable dispensing without the need to remove the reel. Safety is a key priority, with features such as stabilizing legs, lockable spindles, and reliable drum braking systems. With load capacities ranging from 1,500 to 10,000 kilograms, along with road-compliant axles, braking systems, and certified lighting, this trailer provides a secure, efficient, and dependable solution for transporting and laying heavy cable reels. The hydrogen-powered chase boats developed for the 37th America's Cup represent a practical step toward lower-emission marine support vessels. Built to accompany high-performance racing yachts, these boats use hydrogen fuel cells to generate onboard electricity. The system produces electrical power through an electrochemical reaction, emitting only water vapor at the point of use. In addition to their alternative power source, the vessels incorporate hydrofoil technology. As speed increases, underwater foils lift the hull partially above the surface, reducing drag and improving overall efficiency. This design supports stable handling while maintaining the speed required to follow competitive racing yachts. The integration of hydrogen propulsion with advanced hull dynamics reflects a broader shift within marine engineering toward reduced environmental impact. Rather than relying solely on conventional combustion engines, these support boats demonstrate how emerging energy systems can function in demanding maritime environments, including elite international sailing competitions.